Welcome to ScreenShorts, the channel that make tech easy with quick and simple tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to add Telegram group members. So let's start the process. First of all, open your Telegram app. After it open, simply open the group from which you want to add people. Like I have only one group, so now I am opening this one. Now here are the group posts and here are the people list who already comment on this post. So tap on this one. So search here for that people which you want to add in your Telegram contact. And when you will find that person, simply tap on the profile icon of that person. So also you will see the option send message. You can also send directly message from here. But if you want to add this in your contact list, then simply you will see the three dot at the right top. Tap on these dots. And here is the option add to contacts. Tap on this one. The name of this person is already written, but if you want to give the name by yourself, then simply clear this name and write your own name. After writing the name, tap on the done icon which is at the right top. So now let me show you the look of the contact. So as you see, the contact has been successfully added in my Telegram. If the contact will not show in your Telegram, then simply close the app. After closing the app, again turn on the app. So then you will see your new contact in your Telegram. So by this way you can add as much as you want from your Telegram groups. Join the ScreenShorts squad and never miss out on easy to follow tech tutorial again. Hit the subscribe button.